Wasn't held on by much. What slightly screwed up with this cut was I did a good notch and it went the right direction, but then I did a bore cut where I cut right through the middle and then cut outwards, and I cut my hinge wood here right off, so it wanted to pinch down that way on the saw. That's why I was getting stuck at the end. But that was a little screw up, but it went good. Everybody's okay. And it was like a 3-foot in diameter tree. Okay. Let's see if the Ford can pull her. You got this fanged angle? Did you lock it? Do you want to lock it or no? Do you want to lock it or no? Do you want it locked? Locked? Oh, it loves it. Oh, the Ford is magic. Yeah, buddy. Look at that log. Oh, yeah. You're off the ground. Take her. Wait, where's the other saw? Is the saw? Let me grab the other saw. This one's full. We're good. Yeah! Climbing over wood, pulling the giant logs. Now this is logging. Dragging it sideways. The old Ford hauling logs again. We'd have put 3, but we lost our other chain.